Hi everyone, this is the Pool Hygiene Doctor, and in today's video we're going to discuss how to keep frogs from jumping into your pool. Frogs croaking at night can be extremely annoying, not to mention dead frogs and toads in your skimmers are an unwanted hassle. Frogs are attracted to water to keep their moisture levels high. Also, near a pool, they're more likely to find insects to consume. Frogs may be cool-looking amphibians, but they do carry bacteria that could cause disease and possibly harm your family. Not to mention the chance of breeding and having thousands of eggs in your pool. These are a few steps to follow if you're having problems with frogs near or in your pool. Frogs hate acidic conditions, so spray things like lemon juice around your pool. Keep your pool covered with a solar cover. This does two things, acting as a barrier to keep frogs out as well as heating your pool. Frogs prefer cold water over warm water. Landscape around your pool. This gives them fewer hiding spots. Next, turn down the lights. Insects are attracted to lights, which then attract frogs. Finally, keep the water moving, as frogs prefer calm setting. Thanks for listening to the Pool Hygiene Doctor, and I'll see you at the pool.